Now we are discussing about small business opportunities. In that, today we are discussing about auto spare part store. Auto spare part store in a cash intensive business with substantial capital investment and strategic planning. You can initiate this type of store. Streaming an auto parts store is a fulfilling way to make money. Auto spare parts store is also very profitable because while going on the road, if brake fails to the vehicle means he will stop the vehicle and immediately he wants a brake wire and clutch wire, and so many will be there. So all these things, if we available independent instantly, he will feel happy. But a little bit more it may be there, but even though he will feel happy because his present requirement is fulfilled. So that auto spare parts business is also very useful, and it is but only one thing is four-way road corner, these are there means it is very useful. And so likewise, according to the opportunity and the location, you can do it. But four-way corner places, if auto spare parts store is there, it is highly profitable and accessible to all also. Wishing you all the best.